Hello guys, in this video I will be explaining how to clear the RAM cache on a laptop or PC. This method works on any Windows version you have on your laptop. Now first open Task Manager. If you don't know how to open Task Manager, then simply search here, Task Manager, and click on it. If you see this type of screen, then simply click on More Details. Now click on Performance, and click on Memory. Right now we have this much RAM cached, so if we clear this RAM cached, our PC performance will boost. So let's clear the RAM cache on our laptop. First of all, open any web browser and search for RAM map download. Click on Download RAM map. Don't worry, this is the official download link for Microsoft Windows laptops and PCs. Now the file is downloading on our laptop. Once the file is downloaded, simply click on it and drag it to the desktop. Now simply right-click on the zipped file and extract the files inside. Now simply head over to RAM map. Make sure you select this one only. Now right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Accept. Now we will get this type of small RAM map application box. Now I will show you how this RAM map clears the RAM cache from our Windows laptop and PC. Simply click on Empty tab. Then click on Empty Standby List. Once I click on it, we can see our RAM cached clear from our laptop. Here you can see RAM cod reduced, and this helps to boost performance on our Windows laptop and PC. Now that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any doubt on how to clear the RAM cache on a Windows laptop or PC, then please leave a comment below.